Hi Rod, this is Hira from Fluid Grid Marketing. I have this video for you on your website and your Google business profile and how to increase traffic utilizing these methods. Your industry, your business is obviously very niche, but I just want to give you some tips on what you can do. So one thing is that you do have a good website. It has good information. Um, and you have a clear call to action with the phone number on top, you have your services listed. It is, however, important to have content, meaning enough words. Also, have your images being tagged with the keywords. Your content, Google likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on a website. So it's important that your website is not just a sitting duck, but you're also able to have it searched on Google for the service that you offer. So if you have 1,500 to 2,000 words, Google will send its crawlers to your site to scan for the keywords that you want to be searched. So the way I can tell how your site is performing is through this analytical tool on Ahrefs, and it basically shows how Google sees it through its UR and DR ratings, which are its strength and power numbers. Uh, Really, a healthy number is between 30 and 40 for each of these, or you just want to outrank your competitors. But the way to increase these numbers are two ways. One is you want to have backlinks and you want to have keywords, both of which I think you haven't really done optimized your website on Google, so you're not ranking at all right now. You're not getting any traffic, organic traffic coming into your site. So one way to do it through the backlinks. Backlinks are basically endorsements to your website. Those endorsements are coming from other websites, so those websites should not be spammy, they should be high quality, they should be relevant to your industry. And then the second thing is that you want to make sure that you have keywords. Those keywords, again, if you have a higher count of words on your website, and also you have the relevant keywords, that should be getting you traffic. So both of these things in conjunction with one another should be getting you, these numbers should be higher and you should be ranking on Google. So I'm going to show you just a high buyer intent keyword and what it looks like, what it would look like. So on the top, you have the sponsored ads, you have just the ads, yeah, it's high visibility. In this middle section, and of course you are very niche, so all of these businesses may not be exactly what it is that you do, but still a good thing to look at when you do type in some of these keywords that you also have on your website. And then you can be landing in this Google Map path, which I highly recommend because 30 to 40% of businesses get their business from potential customers clicking on this area over here. This is a list of the Google business profiles. And then here are the organic section. So your website would be listed over here if you increase your UR and DR ratings. I'm going to show you how to get into the top 3 of that Google Map path. So if you take a look at one of your competitors and what they are doing, you want to outrank them. You want to make sure that you have your name, number, and address in as many citations as possible. Citations are online directories. You want to make sure that you have a lot of pictures. So these days, it doesn't seem like they have as that many, so easy to outrank them. You want to make sure that you're updating them every month, that they're geotagged, that they have keywords. You want to make sure that you have reviews, 5-star reviews, you're responding to them. So just some tips on how to increase your presence over here. And then finally, I'm going to show you one of your competitors, what it is that they're doing. You can see how much content, how many words they have over here. So Google is able to actually crawl and scan for these keywords. So you can get an idea. Again, like I said, 30 to 40 is an ideal number. So even if they have a lot of traffic, which is good, it is good for them, but they could be a lot more efficient by increasing their quality of referring domains. But also, if we take a look at their keywords, they're not very specific to the specific area that they service. To Boston, they're very general, but that's a way that you can actually outrank them, getting really high efficiency keywords. You want to make sure these are some general ideas of keywords, how much volume each of these keywords can generate, and how much traffic you can get if you're positioned at the top. So, for example, you have, well, Yours is much more specific to sealants, but you can get an idea just of how much traffic you can potentially get if you have the right keywords listed. And yeah, so hopefully this is helpful for you to understand how to increase your traffic, how to increase your volume. And if you have any questions, do let us know. We're happy to get your feedback.